Hello everyone, this is of the podcast. My name is Manas. This is the second last episode of season 2, and with us we have a recurring guest co-host,
Guest
Simmerpreet Singh.
co-host.
Yeah, we are
Met
complete. You have taken both the position because you are the one bringing in the views. So I am just like completely, like slowly we are just like removing Nitya from it. So like we are ending season 2, and with season 3 it will be just
well,
two of us.
not so slowly. I mean, she'll be out in 2 episodes apparently.
Yeah, so I'm just like trying to make
तूने
all.
बताया नहीं?
I'm just trying to
You know
make all.
what? Haters gonna hate, and you
आप प्रणाम
basically wanna
करिए.
sidebar me because I have a life and you don't.
Yeah, in
So
yeah.
yeah,
You do your pranayam.
Ouch.
yeah. Yeah, pranayam.
Yeah, whatever
Nothing
that
illegal
is.
about it.
Yeah. So welcome back, Simmer, and welcome Nitya.
Yeah. I mean, why say it at all?
So
Introduce ही क्यों किया आपने?
dude, the thing is that I have to practice. Like I have to practice without you having a new host and everything. So I thought might as well just start it. Let the ball
Have
True.
fun replacing
roll.
me.
Yeah. Excuse me. Look at you. Look on the top. We already have Simmer. So yeah.
Simmer
So
is totally the future of this podcast. I can already feel it because
Absolutely.
he's the only person who's got the privilege of coming to our podcast for the second time in the same season.
exactly. He
Hmm.
brought
So
he brought in the views, so I thought, what, might as well get the co-host who is gonna, do something for the podcast, not like somebody like
Yeah.
unless you start doing it on, like अपने हाथ पैर के ऊपर, you just, like upside down, you just start recording that way. That can be interesting, but until that, yeah. So guys,
I think that's a great idea, and I'm totally gonna do that for like my podcast, which does not have you in it. So yeah, that's that.
yeah, sure. The first question that we got was that why are you ending this season? I thought you were gonna go for for the long haul, maybe 30 episodes minimum, and now you're just doing 16. So Nitya, would you want to shed light on this, or maybe do some asanas
Hmm.
on this?
Yeah. Let's start with Gatyak Meru Vaprasan. Okay. So
But what?
stand up on your mats.
You know what? Let's do that. I actually have the setting for that. So yeah.
अच्छा हाँ दिख रहा है. What the what the hell?
I'm just trying to make it as immersive as possible. Just
Yeah, totally immersed, and this is not the effect of any substance that we've been taking.
He's been
Let's
taking.
He's been taking. Let's go
Yeah,
with
that
that.
pranayam looked awfully like something that he was snorting. पता नहीं क्या था.
Yeah, something that he was sniffing that
Yeah.
says puff, puff, and pass. Yeah. So going back to mindfulness and why I'm leaving this podcast, and I think both things are connected because
Poor
my
guys on
sanity.
Spotify. Sorry to disturb. but,
my my sanity equals to not being on this podcast. So also in the previous episode you might have figured out that people are a very essential source of nutrition for me. So before I kind of just get triggered and maybe like Manas digest him or something. Before that, I thought I'll go and do this course in yoga and kind of practice restraint for real through pranayama and relaxation techniques. I'm going to Bangalore for good, and yeah, I'm basically going to be there without any signal. So it's just going to be we're going to get a break from this podcast. You're going to get a break from each other, and yeah, so I think it's a much needed break and time off from them and also from you guys.
Simmers also do the same thing, facing you.
Can we go back to normal now?
Yeah, sure. So,
I can't deal with this.
oh my god.
That was really fun. Hmm.
So the reality is she's just escaping because I'm just like looking for new co-hosts and she just cannot stand that option, and
Yeah, let's go with that.
so yeah, we have lost Simmer. Oh, we have
And Simar tends to make really exciting appearances in the podcast. He's just trying to play around with his video and
So yeah,
Yep.
guys.
be
So,
fun.
so yeah, guys, that's the thing. Nitya is just backing away from the commitment. We're supposed to do 30 episodes, but now she's going in jungles, and jungles don't have Wi-Fi. And yeah, that's the stuff. That's the good stuff. And if you want me to do season 3 of podcast or like something else, please comment down below. What do you what like co-host you want me to do it with, or you want me to just do it myself? I will do it like very
Yeah,
happily.
guys, you need to, you know what? He's gonna take auditions very soon, and maybe you can just send him like a 30-second clip, and maybe Manas will find his next podcast co-host.
Yeah.
So
Again, ignoring her because this is going to be the norm now. So guys,
and you
we
can
are gonna
totally see how he treats women on this podcast. I'm not saying a word. It's all in front of you. He
listen.
respects them, and he really, really values their presence on the podcast.
Clearly, yeah.
Yeah, you were saying?
Yeah. So speaking of respecting women, what are your thoughts on body, like body image? Like how do you see it?
I think Simar should start with that, and then I'll
Let's throw him under the
Why,
bus.
why should I start with that?
because I just gave a long ass answer about why
Okay,
I'm
uh,
leaving
And
this
people
podcast.
need a break from her, her silent voice. So yeah.
No, you don't. But I was like, let others also, guest को मेहमान को ऐसे treat नहीं करते. So I'm like, let me also.
Atithi Devo Bhava, yeah.
पहले
Yes.
आप, हाँ.
Yes,
Yeah,
Simar, go ahead.
Hmm.
Shed us. Please
Shed,
share,
yeah.
Shed
Shed
us. Shred us.
share your thoughts.
Oh, that should be my line. I'll be like, I'll be shredding you when I meet.
Not
Yeah.
a
Back
laugh.
non-cannibalistic people.
Exactly. That all goes back to the food episode. Anyway, so yeah.
अरे बोलना भाई.
ये बहुत controversial हो जाएगा मेरे views तो ना just I
So
just need
ju-
to collect myself before I
Speak.
say something that's
Speak your
going
heart
to...
out. Speak.
I-
Don't be a coward like Manas. Speak
Okay,
your heart out.
Collect your thoughts.
Okay.
You can,
Bol,
you
bol,
can
bol.
take you can take few minutes. And Nitya, you can just leave right now for Bangalore if you want to. So my thoughts on body.
If I would get a flight ticket, I would, but yeah, अभी नहीं available है.
Yeah, कोई नहीं तांगे पे निकल जाओ. Anyway, so my views on body is body images. See, initially I used to have this, because of the social media, the projection of body image in media, or on social media in general. Like I used to start having these thoughts. Only Eurocentric features are better. You're supposed to have tone body. You're supposed to have muscles. If you're a woman, you're supposed to really slim, tone and all that stuff. But like it took me some time to decondition everything, uncondition whatever that word is. And when I heard like a lot of podcasts and a lot of videos, educated myself on that body image issue, I slowly came into terms with that. And now I don't see body as anything, like people say disgusting when they see fat rolls, or if they see little extra hairy, any sort of thing. Those things don't bother me anymore. So it's different that I see other people like normally, but I don't see myself in the same light. So coming in terms with that, but I'm completely fine with that. Speaking of that, I want to know your thoughts. Like how do you what do you feel about censoring it? Because when we see, be it on Instagram or movies, like there's a
Yeah.
huge stigma or taboo attached to people, not people, like
So-
authorities or platforms trying to censor it. Like Halsey recently came out with an album cover where her her body is showing, and people, and she demanded do not censor it, because there's nothing wrong with that. So if men can do it, women can as well. So I want to know your thoughts.
Okay, so to talk about censoring, I'm just reminded. I think I'm not sure if it was on PopExo or one of the Instagram accounts where I saw there was this whole series of posts done on various Bollywood actors who did not Photoshop their underarm bulges or their underarm hair, like Kareena Kapoor, Kalki, and there were a few other actors. So they've shown a picture of how they had underarm hair, and which was totally visible, like because bodily hair, it's a part of you. So women are not it's waxing should be a choice, hair removal should be a choice. It does not have to be mandatory. And even now, I mean, we feel times of progress, but we haven't, because even now when you see a woman walking out, uh, you know wearing shorts with unwaxed legs, people comment, the first judgment that comes to your mind is, oh my god, how can she step out like that, completely ungroomed? And that is something, I mean, like I'm gonna admit it here, I was so conscious about wearing a sleeveless top because I felt my arms are too bulky, I've got stretch marks, and I felt that my arms are not meant to be in a sleeveless top. And I think what's changed in my philosophy is that you need to feel comfortable about how you perceive yourself, and there is nothing like a perfect body. These are all beauty standards that have been shoved into our brains, because so that we subscribe to one kind of body type, we subscribe to one kind of look. And I think that is the whole deconditioning you're talking about, that one is that I think your clothes, I mean, that's what I've kind of come to understand, that you shouldn't have to wear your clothes should like wear you. So it should be always, it's all about how comfortable you feel. It's not about what looks okay and what doesn't. If you feel right about it, you can jolly well go ahead and wear it. So yeah, so I think I've definitely changed my perception. And also when it is a matter of how people perceive you, I think it's totally to do with their flawed thinking and their mentality versus how versus the choices you make, because it's your body, it's your rules. So
What
I
about you,
think you
Simba?
should go with that. Yeah.
I think a lot of conditioning that you're talking about is because of social media,
Yeah.
right? So now I think that the response of people is actually a little too extreme in some cases. So, well, I'll obviously agree that there are very unnatural expectations set by fitness influencers and just anyone on Instagram, really. Uh, for men, for instance, right? I mean, you see everyone who is just like super bulky, super buff, exactly like Manas. Yeah. And
Okay, I didn't see
honestly,
that coming.
I mean, just he was pointing a finger at him. Now I was like, okay.
Body
Yeah.
shaming kind of backfired because Manas was supposed to body shame you apparently.
No.
But
First of all,
That you were?
no, dude. Oh my god, she's like twisting my words. That's not what I said. When he said no influencers, so I was like me, because
Yeah.
I photoshopped in the last episode we talked about that. So that's why I was pointing finger at me, not for the buff part, but yeah.
Yeah, so unnatural standards are pretty apparent these days. I mean, itne sare, like so many influencers and just like fitness people who, I mean, it's their job, right? And many of them aren't even natural, so they're on steroids and everything. But
yeah.
no one's willing to come out and say that they aren't natural. They want people to think that's achievable, like buy their plans and just do this and all that. So that's a pretty unhealthy way of how you see people. I mean, women as well, right? You were talking about how like hair on your legs, like
What?
being
Yeah.
unwaxed, just seeing, yeah, it's pretty taboo, right? So
Yeah.
I think that's, I mean, see,
No.
yeah, matlab, anyone, you just like
Yeah,
look on,
like the
look on
biggest fear
media,
for me would be that if like I'm just walking completely unwaxed, my dad's like, wow,
right?
you're the son that I never had. I mean, just saying that, like, think about. So anyway, my handsome
Yeah, so
daughter.
it has become true. So it has become so normal, right? Matlab, just seeing people unwaxed, seeing people like really buff, seeing people without any cellulite, just like absolutely unnatural stuff that you don't see. And I mean, you start to feel a little weird about yourself as well. I didn't even realize it, but I mean, I'm not really too comfortable with my body. And it's mostly because I've been into like the lifting scene for like the past few years. Lagta nahi hai, because जो भी है
और क्या
consistency issues or
क्या
whatever.
क्या चाहिए कि
I-
कंधे से तो चाहिए कि कंधे से कंधे फ्रेम रेट
See,
में फ्रेम के
that's-
एंड में इसके
that's-
शोल्डर यहाँ है कि यहाँ और ऐसे बैठे हैं लाइक व्हाट डू यू
That's what I'm
वांट
talking
नहीं हम
about,
चाहते कि
right?
तुम ऐसे करो, तुम्हारा टी शर्ट फट जाए because
Salman
of
Khan move.
all the working out you've been doing. But
Okay,
see, we honestly, I cannot figure it out because this is the second time I'm seeing you, and that too, like literally just this much of like I can only see you like till your neck, slightly shoulder downwards. So I can
Nita's,
see you.
I was,
true
am I supposed
words
to
are coming
flex?
out. She's like, short for. Okay, Nitya, you're going to Bangalore. Control yourself.
Okay.
Okay, first humans, and now this. Like, what is this?
Oh, that
Cannibalism now.
reminds
This.
me. That reminds me, Manas, you talked about that whole censoring thing. I was just suddenly reminded that there was this ad by, I think, Bajaj fans or on some other brand back in the mid 2000s, I remember. Saying ki in like Hawaii badal rahi or something like that, but the whole point was about the censor board sitting and watching a movie and deciding ki if it's adult or if it's like suitable for all audiences. And one guy says that it's adult because there are 5 or 7 scenes of a guy going totally shirtless, and this other guy says that it's a family movie because there's no there is no uh, scene here that needs to be kind of censored. And then that other guy says कि अच्छा लड़की करे तो nude और लड़का करे तो dude. And that completely that
Simmer, do not.
ad did so well.
I'm not even doing anything. Kya be?
No, you were
Allegation.
smirking, and I know exactly what's going in your
You-
head. Don't.
Nothing was
What?
going in my head.
Yeah,
Fully-
yeah, continue.
fully feature with the
Did I trigger something?
No,
absolutely
continue.
not. ये project कर रहा है clearly. It's weirdo.
So yeah, so this was, I just remembered when you talked about the whole censoring thing and this ad, and I think this ad is so brilliantly made. So yeah.
Yeah, so I just know that one of these like I don't want to like point fingers, but like one of those people just once shamed me for the hair on my arms, because like it was showing in the in the picture, because I was a hand model in my food account ka thing, handling something, and I
I
was
think
just,
I
I-
criticized.
excuse me, no,
Wait,
this,
you
this is
pointed
off
towards
limits.
me?
This is off limits. नहीं Nita, you're down there. Simmer's
अच्छा
next
वो
to
फिर
me.
ठीक है फिर ठीक है because it looks like to say you're pointing towards me now, like मैंने कब बोला that to bodily hair like what.
So I'm just saying, it's weird to just share a platform with somebody who has been your not victim, sorry, been your abuser,
Victim.
been your
What?
abuser.
That's true. Like I think
The
reality
dominant and
बाहर
the
निकल गई.
submissive.
So yeah,
This is just going somewhere else.
I have
It's
forgiven
going
you.
south.
I have forgiven you, Summer. So yeah,
See, you
it's
can
okay.
forgive me all you want, but you really.
I'm
they
going to
really look
censor it.
weird.
I'm going to censor it. Whatever you're going to say, I'm just going to censor it. So there's no use saying it. Okay. Let's go back to the light questions. So guys,
That's it. Just one.
नहीं,
Just
नहीं,
one intense
exactly.
question. That's it.
I think
Already.
अभी तो controversial part पे आए भी नहीं थे, right? It's
हाँ.
not even fun.
We've just
Exactly.
begun. I think
This
the
was the-
format of this
हाँ.
episode is just getting all my creative juices and every part of me just like I want more of this.
all right. Calm down, ma'am. So the next question is, if you could.
No, but really, but yeah, I mean, just can't let you move on because yeah, कुछ controversial भी बोलना चाहिए.
हाँ.
इसके लिए clips के लिए.
Yes.
But yeah, so I mean, see, everything, all of this, जो unnatural body image people just kind of promote, obviously that's not good either. But I think the way people are responding with body positivity, some of it isn't as good as people make it out to be, right? So, I mean, you
In what
can't be,
sense?
I mean, see, let's assume that medical disorders and just like medical problems are out of this equation. I'm eliminating all those people that can't really help being the way they are, like weight problems, or jo bhi hai, PCOD, anything you can talk about. Just in general, right? Being, let's say, overweight or obese is not something you should embrace if you can do something about. So I mean, being comfortable in your skin is okay, but promoting obesity and that's just not something I'm
It's
cool
a very
with.
fine line, actually. It's a very fine line because there's a difference between saying that, that it like, see, it's actually, I mean, you talked about controversial. It's risky business actually because when you say all body shapes and all body types are fine, we believe that all body shapes and body types are fine, but that doesn't mean that you just kind of become a sloth and don't work towards fitness because that is one versus saying that okay, this is how my body is and I accept it. So I think the difference is that even if you're obese, you still accept your body, but you still do something about it in terms of you still aim towards fitness. But you don't. But either way, if you're obese or if you're not obese, or if you're you've got a strange body type, either way you still accept yourself for who you are at where you are at.
Yeah, so exactly. The thing is that you're not it, what people when they say that all body shapes should be celebrated, it means that you're not supposed to be shamed for what shape do you have if you don't fit the main mold, because
True.
for the longest time the modeling scene has just, this is what we see right on the runways, the main clothes come off from that, and that sells basically, and that's what we see celebrities doing that. So when people when they start projecting that size 0 is the thing, if men should have abs and completely perfect v-shaped body and bulky and manly, this and that, that sorts of, and if you don't fit the mold, then you should be ashamed of yourself. So
And
just
to be very honest,
so people
I think
yeah,
you
yeah.
continue then.
So
No,
people
I was
just
just saying.
yeah, koi baat nahi, continue.
No, I was just to like complete that. Obesity also, Simar, is I think relative. What I might feel is obese might be regular for another person, and I think that's also because of what we feel is slim and what isn't. Like to
I don't
somebody,
think
I might be
medically.
very plump, and very
Hmm.
very overweight for somebody who sees me.
Right.
But for another person, I might be regular, and of course no, for an ideal reality I might be slim, but that's a ideal reality. So I mean, so I'm just saying that it's very relative is also
See,
what.
I can't comment like from the medical side, right? Because let's just take BMI for instance. BMI is something that I don't really believe in. Matlab, just generally for people who lift at least, because you can't really differentiate between what's your muscle mass and what's your fat mass. But yeah, I think medically, I'm sure there's like some terminology or there's some methodology that classifies yours as obese, right? It's not just something
Yeah.
that someone thinks. It's not just a word that if someone's a little fat, you can't just randomly call them obese. I'm pretty sure there's some medical terminology for that.
You'll be
So
surprised
as
that there are
yeah.
people who actually do that, but anyway.
So I mean, yeah, I mean, you're talking about unnatural. I think size 0 wala jo bhi obsession thi, I think that's it's like that was a little in the past as well, because now both of the extremes exist. At least that's what I've seen on social media. So it's not just size 0. It's like being, I'm not sure like what size is obese and all, size 10 jo bhi
Now
hai.
the size is
That's
completely now the size system has
uh,
completely been distorted. The thing is
Yeah.
size 0 is supposed to be size 0 throughout. So but now because of the Kardashian, now there's a Kardashian size. So you're supposed to be thick on certain places, but you're supposed to have cinched waist. Like at all
right.
times, like even like when you're talking about like
The hourglass figure.
sorry, so like when we talk about even the see the so I'll complete my point and then I'll come to your point. So the whole thing was that you're not supposed to shame people, you're supposed to celebrate everyone. Now nobody was saying that you're supposed to celebrate the lifestyle, you're supposed to emulate that, or that should be the standard. That was the issue. So if somebody is overweight or if they're not fit as per the standard, that should not that should person should not be shamed. That's all. You cannot be like, oh, now when we see regular people on web series or anything on OTT platforms, we feel sort of good. Oh my god, this actor was such a good he was such a good actor, she was such a good actress, even though she's not the typical Bollywood type, who doesn't look like Katrina Kaif or Priyanka Chopra, the high standards one, but they still act so well because because we have been accustomed to seeing a standards for so long, that if you don't see it, we're like, this person doesn't look like a a star in a Bollywood type ka celebrity. So we do that. So to break that, but people ran with this idea and went to the extreme. They were like, we are going to celebrate, being unhealthy, being really anorexic or whatever. This was never the point. It was distorted by the companies because they just wanted to run with it and just make money out of the people, the whole idea. And even if you look at people we call overweight, like swimsuit models like Ashley Graham, when you see those people on runway, they are not regular people who are
They're
overweight.
not.
They have chiseled chins, they have no double fat or double chins. They have completely flat stomach, even though they are curvy. They have rolls, but they have rolls in the, they don't have it in the right place.
places.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that again starts, that again, points to this, standard ki if you even the they say black people who are, in the modeling industry, they see the Eurocentric features, one with the petite nose or with the big lips, with the high cheekbones and that. Not the typical, even though all black features are not like that. So that was the whole point.
And
Running,
most importantly, I think on top of everything, no matter how overweight you are, and how, and the world tells you, I think everything goes down to how healthy you are from inside. Because
Hmm.
you might look really obese, but if you're in peak health, I have seen people who look like they're, they like they can't even touch their toes, but these are people who can easily stand on their like they can, they can even do push-ups, and they can do squats, and they can do everything. So I'm just saying that weight is not an indicator of peak health.
Nitya,
That's also
don't
I
important.
don't. I
yeah,
disagree there. I
we are
mean,
going into
that's.
different thing ना क्या होता है कि we are talking about general
Hmm.
things now. I asked you how do you feel about body cheese. दोनों कहीं
अच्छा
और,
ठीक है, तो फिर ये रहने दो,
you guys
रहने
went
दो.
with
ये
different cheese.
मॉडरेटर ये मॉडरेटर आ गया बीच में.
नहीं, आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया, सिमर जी ने स्टार्ट कर दिया कि आई डिसएग्री. मैंने पूछा था कि हाउ आर यू ऑन दी
Hmm.
बॉडी इमेज, लाइक आर यू कंफर्टेबल विद योर ओन बॉडी इमेज, हाउ आर
Absolutely
यू.
not.
दैट वाज द थिंग, लाइक दैट वाज व्हाट आई वाज
Yeah.
आस्किंग. नॉट कि क्या होता है कि क्या फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री
हाँ
में
हाँ
बोले.
ठीक है.
हाँ ठीक है, fine. So that
क्या
that that
penalize
is
करेगा
that
तू अब?
I leave to your fine sense of judgment, and your trimming abilities, that you will you'll chop what's not required.
So yeah, these guys literally just went with that because I was just not stopping them, and कभी कभी करना पड़ता है. I hope the new co-host would be more understanding and know the the flow of the
Absolutely no.
podcast. So
Definitely not.
you are not the ones. I'm sorry. I just judged you, and I just realized that you're not fit for this job. So yeah, something
Good
light
luck.
to talk about. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? Let's start with the not even. Would you prefer like cold climate, hot climate, or would you prefer 4 seasons in the whole year like we have it in India, at least in North Delhi? North Delhi, North India, North Delhi.
North Delhi, I'm like, oh my god, back to Woodbox Cafe again.
Yeah. So let's start with summer.
I think Delhi, just like it's a very extreme temperature. It's not something I'm comfortable with at all. Like summers, mein, it's too goddamn hot, which it is right now, and then this winters, man, I can't bear how cold it is. I think somewhere like a moderate temperature of around 20 degrees all throughout the year, with like light winds and all. That's something that seems super ideal. Maybe on a coastal area. Like I'm not sure Goa ka kitna exactly close hai to that, but yeah, I think something around constantly around the 20s seems pretty perfect to me, which is not Delhi.
See, Simmer, my friend, I would like to give you an opportunity to just go beyond your imagination, and you can go outside
नहीं
country
जा
as well.
सकता मैं, just like
No,
very
no, no,
limited.
no,
नहीं,
please do.
my geography is pretty terrible as well,
I
so it's just
encourage
not.
you. Like तीन चार वर्ड तो पता है ना, Hawaii, Maldives, something like that. So जाना, गोवा से बाहर
जहाँ पे
निकलो.
हाँ नहीं नहीं पता ही नहीं तो मतलब कहाँ जाओ
वाघा
मतलब
बीच से थोड़ा
अभी
बाहर निकलो.
गूगल खोलना पड़ेगा मुझे.
Manas, let him give the answer he wants to give.
कैसा
Yeah.
कैसा मॉड वो है यार, ये होस्ट है मतलब
Dictator है, moderator नहीं है.
को होस्ट 2 हफ्ते में निकल जाएगा कोई भी.
हाँ.
एक
So
तो
yeah.
अनपेड
You-
पोजीशन है.
Are you seeing how much I've
हाँ,
tolerated?
I really sympathize a lot.
Thank you.
अब
Thank
समझ
you.
आ रहा है.
So
And I'm finally going now. Yeah.
So Seema ji, what place would you prefer, like summer or winter, or like please be specific.
Spring throughout the year and a
And do
little
you
slightly colder. Yeah.
have any particular location in mind?
नहीं भाई नहीं है, नहीं आती ज्योग्राफी हो जाए कहाँ गूगल पे खुलवा के ढूंढेगा अभी.
Okay, so let's move to the Miss Yogini. What do you have to say about that?
So I think I am a sucker for winters.
So Himalayas.
I crave.
So
for
I'll come to my
winters.
answer.
पूछा ही क्यों? Like पूछा ही क्यों?
So Nitya, what's your answer? Bangalore? You want to go to Bangalore?
Bangalore's actually
अभी
nice.
जाना है?
I know it's a very cliche answer because everybody's like, let's go to Bangalore. This
No,
whole hype ki Bangalore,
no,
Wait,
Bangalore.
no. Who
no,
says that?
nobody says that.
No, I would say people in my circle, which like because you guys are not my only circle, I have other friends as well. So my ideal place, if it's in India, definitely somewhere down south. And like somewhere I've always imagined like tea plantations or coffee plantations, like somewhere like Coorg or Nilgiris
Kunnur and all,
or
that sounds pretty
Kunur.
nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's really nice because it's like a hill station, so it's like really pleasant weather and it's really green. And I honestly don't want to stay like in the heart of the city. I want to be slightly in the outskirts, not like village
Hmm.
area, but
Have you
like
seen The Pooran
suburbs.
Sons?
Yes,
That was pretty ideal, right?
so
Yeah,
that is what I want in a picture. You've totally
Hmm.
nailed it. You've pinned the nail on the wall. So something like how homes were like lovely cottage and and also like to be close to the city and yet not in the city. I don't want to be in a
Right.
concrete jungle. I don't want to live in an apartment. I want to live in a home, and I want to be surrounded by nature. So definitely like Coorg, Kunur, and yeah, somewhere down south would be nice. With India, if it's abroad, then though definitely I would. My heart is in Scotland, Ireland, like somewhere like near the Irish and the Scottish places are beautiful, or even Austria. I think like those are all images that come out of postcard images.
Hmm.
Those are like amazing places. So yeah, Ireland is like beautiful, or even Scotland. It's really beautiful. And I don't know if you've heard of this movie called The Leap Year. Amy Adams and Matthew Good. It's like a
Haven't.
rom-com. So I saw that, and the entire movie was shot in Scotland, and I fell in love with Scotland when I just saw the beauty of that place. And yeah, so if it's somewhere abroad, it would be Scotland. And yeah, weather. Shut up. And weather-wise, I'm a sucker for winters. Like in Delhi, especially, like this is the worst of Delhi weather. And I wait for winters. And there was a time when, Octobers and all used to be pleasant. And now, because of, I don't know, global warming and, how like the earth is heating up, it's only like end of November. Even Diwalis are hot sometimes, last few years. So I'm like totally a winters person. Like I can live in my beanies and my sweatshirts and my oversized sweaters. That is my
Yeah, but
thing.
what about when you have to go out though? In winters, like peak winters.
I love it.
Really?
I give me snow, give me cold, give me
Give me a
freezing
break.
and
ठीक है,
biting
दोनों
weather.
स्टार्ट होके ऐसे ही लिखना. ये क्या चल रहा है? रैंडम जल्दी टॉपिक करें. 12 क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास. Give me
हाँ,
I
okay,
think-
give me
bye.
Scotland, Ireland, I
I
love it. छोड़ा ठीक है, बैंगलोर जा रही है. वो लेंगे भी तुम्हें स्कॉटलैंड वाले, और ये देखो गोवा से बाहर ही निकल रहे
लेंगे
भाई.
क्या?
Now come to me. I will prefer something really warm, something really nice, not jalti garmi wala sara desert type of situation, but I want like maybe LA or Hawaii or Maldives. Costly area, but like not costly enough कि क्या होता है, बाढ़ है तो मैं भी थोड़ा हो ना कुछ हो, तो वैसे चीज़ भी नहीं
मैं भी
चाहिए.
भेज जाऊँ.
Yeah, so yeah, so I think like Gurgaon overall is like pretty good. So yeah, so the next question. इतनी कोई दिक्कत नहीं, तू जाना अभी बैंगलोर जा, ठीक है. Okay,
हाँ, मैं जा रही हूँ.
okay, so next question is what are some things that you want to accomplish before you die? I'll begin. I want to just finish this season. This episode to
Wow.
begin with.
And I think you're dying very soon. इतनी की भी जाके जल्दी है मानस.
So Simmer, what do you want to say? What do you want to accomplish before you pop off?
I have no goals in life. No, yet. On a
Honest,
serious note, this is
appreciate
very. हैं तो मतलब maybe I just want to hit some numbers on certain lifts. That's all. I just want to deadlift more than 200 kilos, but yeah. Anyway,
So what about you,
Wow.
Nitya?
moving on.
If I'm ever shifting my place, I think I might contact you for moving the bed or something.
हाँ, please definitely don't call Manas. वो तो picture shoot करते हुए he just his back gives out.
Oh yeah, he's so fragile. His knees buckle. He's already aging, peeling like an old fruit. So
Old fruit. That's a nice name for Manas.
yeah, old fruit. So I think I definitely want to complete this course I'm going for, because when yesterday when went to the schedule of the course, it's scary. My day starts at 5:30 a.m. and it ends at 8:30 p.m. back to back sessions, and it's pretty packed. So I just hope I like survive and make it through.
Sounds like a
And yeah,
job. That's a lot.
it is because you're mentally and physically working yourself. And also like what they provide is what you eat. So of course I'm sure the food is great and it's everything, but yeah, so it's going to be interesting. So yeah,
What do you
definitely
want to
want to
accomplish before you die? Not before December or whatever the next month is get over.
So how do I know when I'm going to
Gigi,
die?
just
It can be in 2 hours, it can be tomorrow, it
Okay,
can
so
like
assume it's next week, right? So what would you want to do?
next week.
Assume अरे तू उस पे focus मत कर यार. don't focus on
No,
dying.
I'm just, I'm no. I know, no. Why I'm saying focusing on the timing is because I'm just like, what is it that if it was next week, then what would I instantly prioritize? So
or I can give you a better thing than this morbid answer. Like if you're on your bed deathbed तो तू जा रही है
what
ठीक
the
है ऐसे
hell?
तेरी कुछ
ये
आंखें सांस
less morbid.
तेरी आंखें सांस से निकल रही है तो काश मैं कर लेती तो like that thing like that you want to do.
That is such an elegant way of dying, Manas. That's exactly.
Elegant way क्या होता है?
काश मैं कर लेती.
Yeah,
Yeah,
come to the
yeah.
point. Yeah.
Well. Okay. I've always wanted to learn an instrument, and I think play the guitar. Like I've always wanted to learn how to play the guitar, so I would do that. Like I would learn how to play the electric guitar. Like that is something I've always wanted to do. And also, and yeah, if it's 1 week, also like like submit the manuscript of my first book and publish my first book. So yeah, these two things for sure.
Okay,
हाँ
now
मेरा एक और था. I want to see the northern lights before I die. Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely.
मैं वहाँ जाएगा ना
Back to
heart वैसे
Manas.
give up कर
ज़्यादा.
देगा.
My answer suddenly feels very bland all of a sudden.
See these things like of course like bucket list में आती हैं. It's like I want to like travel the world. So, like that is like I don't even considering it. तो मैं छोड़ो.
Yeah, like who's getting out of Gurgaon? Yeah.
Like
So
I was talking.
Manas,
Yeah.
if you're going to be dying today, then what is it that you're going to do?
I want to make sure that people who live after me repent for the rest
Die
of their lives.
first.
No, repent for the rest of their lives, and it becomes miserable and more hard for them to die, and they wish they died before me. So yeah, that's fun. So like what
That's
are
really touching.
so yeah, so something light, another light question. Thoughts on marriage.
You didn't even answer the question.
अरे बता तो दिया. I just want
Yeah,
this
yeah.
season to end.
I'm giving morbid answers. No, Simar. I'm giving morbid answers over here. And he's just getting away with vague responses like this.
Okay, you know what I want to accomplish before I die? I just want to have my own, produce वाली चीज़ें like small garden, terrace garden or something. Not like Nitya वाली, like proper terrace जिसमें क्या होता है गेहूँ उगे, दाल चावल सब
Not
कुछ
like
उगे.
Nitya's comparison now.
तो दाल चावल सब कुछ उगे कि क्या होता है अगर प्रलय आ गई like if something you know worse comes to worse like I'll have my own things so like and have a little dog, you know, have my own privacy. So if in case you know everything goes off, like at least I'll have my own
तो
solar
प्रलय आ
power.
गया तो तू छत पे चीजें कर रहा होगा ये सब.
Yeah, so I'll be
Ge-
नीचे
गेहूं दाल चावल.
गेहूं उगाएगा.
अरे, people are like you know
Yeah.
dying downstairs, you know they're like screaming you know
और ये
screaming
बैठ
for
के
their
गेहूं
life.
चुन रहा है बैठ के.
I'm like कि नहीं मैं अपने क्या होता है ज्वार खा रहा है ऐसे,
क्या
see
raw
that?
ऐसे
He
ही.
died you know, so yeah, that's sort of my thing.
Wow.
Basically I just want to have my own terrace garden, like be as
So you
independent
want
as
to
I can.
you want to become a farmer before you die. Got it.
No, I want to have like
Uh,
be more independent, like I want to be as independent as possible, that's all.
You can actually do that, right? So there are lots of kits for like 15-20K that I've seen that can help you with
yeah,
that.
grow your
The
own.
growing stuff that you eat
Home
at home.
garden.
No, see, another point is that I want to be independent, but at the same time I don't want to put in the work, so I want like somebody to like go and fix it, so like it keeps on, you know, like just do its own thing, like it can like water
Automatically सब कुछ होते रहे,
yeah,
right?
it can like water itself, it can you know like cut and you know just come to the main container itself, like I don't have to like actually you know like put my hands into the soil or stuff. Yeah,
So
That would
then
be
you might
amazing.
just need to live like for another decade so that we reach those sort of technological
Or
advancements.
maybe I can just,
Robotic farmers.
or maybe I can just,
Yeah.
lure
Hmm.
you into my house and, like, just lock you in the basement and just, force you to do the work. So that could be a great idea. So next, like, speaking of, being stuck and, in basement and all, thoughts on marriage. Do you think you can do, like, not do, sorry, do you think you can live with one person for the rest of your life? If they live. Yeah.
Simar, would you like to go first?
I don't know. I need to collect my thoughts. I haven't really thought much about it.
Okay, I'll go first
Yeah.
because even I have not thought about this. Like literally, what you're seeing right now, I'm thinking as I'm speaking as I'm thinking parallelly. That's
Hmm.
how most episodes are recorded.
Are they?
And I think sound better than Manas. So I think yeah, who are we kidding? So I think marriage. First of all, I don't believe that you need to get married because like to
Enters
love
uncle auntie
someone.
in the room. दबा
हाँ
दब मारना
आटा के
स्टार्ट
क्या
कर
बोल
दिया.
रहे हो?
अरे वो तो मैंने पहले निपटा लिया ना inside. So no, my point was that I think that like the reasons why people get married are just so weird, and I don't want to just stamp my life with a marriage certificate to show that I love somebody. So I honestly don't really believe in the concept of getting married to someone to be with them. But if at all, hypothetically, if I do, then absolutely, if I've genuinely loved that one person, I think that's a point that I want to spend the rest of my life with that person, right?
Fast
So
forward to 30 days, she comes back, from Bangalore retreat, and she's like, guys, I met somebody and we're getting married.
what the hell?
The reason she
That is
went.
not happening.
Some very flexible guy. Who knows?
Okay.
Yeah, flexible in thought
Okay.
Anyway, like
and,
But very
and
stiff.
philosophies.
But very
Yeah,
stiff.
very-
Yeah.
But very stiff in general. Okay, got it. So yeah. So
You're so dead, both. Not just him.
thoughts. So my thoughts on marriage is, अगर होता नहीं क्या होता है कि अगर है सामने मैकडोनल्ड्स तो ठीक है खा लेंगे, अदरवाइज इट्स फाइन, लाइक आई कैन लिव विदाउट इट.
Wow.
One person is enough for life. See, अगर क्या होता है कोई इरिटेट कर रहा है, then just cut it off. Otherwise, I can do one person like very
Look
easily.
at him.
It's completely fine.
And you do realize that people are not perfect, and irritation cannot be a reason to just leave someone. Like, what do you
watch
expect
me-
someone to be?
watch me-
Slave? Like, you want
once
to
again-
enslave someone?
Watch me start season 3 without you, and you will get an idea. So yeah. So speaking of, yeah. So Simar, did you collect your thoughts in the meantime?
मैं तो कुछ सोच ही नहीं रहा था, but okay. Yeah. I think I could probably like marry someone, and I think it's because I have a fair idea ki like initial feelings you have at the start, things are not going to be like that after a while. So that's like people fail to realize that, right? People think relationships are pretty amazing at the start, and it's
Yeah,
going
it's
to
not
be
it's not a
that way
bed of
forever.
roses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not super exciting. Things get a little dull, but then but then there are new things, right? So there's the sense of comfort that you feel that would probably not be there before. It's just very different feelings, but I think if my partner understands that as well, and if both of us know what we're getting into and what our expectations will be, then I think it could be a possibility for sure.
And what do you think about like having one person for the lifetime? Like, do you believe in that?
As in, matlab,
What do you
believe in that,
think?
matlab?
You think he's going to be faithful to one person and
No,
compromise? Like,
I'm
क्या
not
है
I'm not saying that
तुम्हारा
he's going to be
सवाल?
unfaithful or something. My see, this is not asked by me. Okay, मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं लिखा ये question. मुझे किसी ने
हाँ,
भेजा
हाँ.
है. ठीक है. One of the avid listeners. Okay. Yeah, so that person wrote to us like, do you think one person is enough for lifetime? As in, कईयों को लगता नहीं कि no, one person is not, मतलब कि ये शादी होती है, but then like people grow
Variety
apart.
चाहिए.
People grow
buffet
apart.
चाहिए buffet.
Yeah, people grow apart, and then it's okay to like go separate ways, amicably.
See,
That's
that all stems to people wanting that chase again, right? So initial excitement होते हैं, people wanting excitement. That's what I feel. Key people are usually they look elsewhere because they crave that excitement, and no one realizes that when you crave that excitement, you're probably looking for the 10% of things that aren't there, but you're ignoring the 90% that's there that you already have.
So
That's
would
So I
you be
think that's
ignoring? So my question to you is, would you be ignoring or would you be paying attention to that boring
no,
one
absolutely.
person?
I mean, I definitely realize ki what I have, I don't think I'm going to squander any of it just because of stupid kind of क्या कहते हैं boost, क्या होता है serotonin boost या जो भी है, whatever that is, excitement का.
Yeah,
That's
also
pretty dumb.
one more thing is that I think it's very unfair to expect one person to be your everything. Like
So it's
you
the team.
can't.
True.
So your answer is basically you're changing it कि मुझे एक नहीं चाहिए, मुझे दो
No,
तीन चाहिए.
no,
One on
no,
the
it's
paper,
not that.
two on the side. Hmm.
No.
Naughty. Okay.
नहीं, 2-3 on the paper भी हो सकता है. I mean, you know, those relationships
Exactly.
exist.
2-3 on the paper भी हो सकता है,
Polygamy
but no, that's not my
exists. Yeah.
point. My point is that that you can't expect your partner to like fill all the other like voids in your life. So you know you can't like just because you have a partner that
इसकी
doesn't
मानस को
mean
देखो,
that
इसका his 5-year-old kind of just lit up.
yeah. So I mean, you know, like you can't expect them to do everything with you and, you know, like be a part of every aspect and activity of your life, because eventually you will crave for space.
Yes, you can.
And
Watch
See,
it.
having a relationship
Watch me
having
once
a
I lock you
relationship
in the
in the
Let's face
basement.
it.
One
Let's
second.
keep it real.
Watch me once I lock you in the basement. Just
It's
joking.
getting very creepy.
Oh,
I
you're
think some
you
of
being
this- some of
cannibal
this
is
might
not
come
creepy. But
Which you made me. That too,
कैसे लोगों के
episode
बीच
के
में हो
बीच
मैं?
में. I felt the same about Nikita also. She was feeling the same way.
oh my
I
god.
felt so bad for her. Anyway.
Let's
yeah.
not talk about people who are not here with us. As in this meeting, yeah. Yeah, Simran,
See, I
what-
think
Clarify.
having are you going to like put this in Nikita wale part?
yeah, say what you want to say. Simran.
See, I think having relationships to fill any void in your life anywhere is probably not a good approach. ये तू
Exactly.
बंद कर, ये तू 5 साल के mental maturity देखो इसकी, just
what?
he's still stuck on that. I can look at his damn face.
Stuck on
I know
what?
what's on his mind.
Look, I don't know.
Just
I don't
look at
know
him.
what is your. I don't know your inside jokes.
Let's move on to the next question. One thing that you miss most, about being a kid. Or let me be a little more specific. Like if you were to go in, back in time and to a
Yeah.
particular moment or a particular time, like what would it be and why? Of course. So let's start with Simmer.
Let's start with Nitya.
Okay, that's become the format
Yeah.
now. So I can't exactly right now pinpoint one particular moment. I'm talking about being a child, like pre-puberty days, pre-PMSing days. And I think that's the whole point here, that what I really miss about being a child is
No
just
PMSing.
that, plus I think just the simplicity of my mind. Like I like because when we understand more, we complicate things more, we analyze things more, we overthink, and we just kind of lose the zest for life. And I was such a I was always carefree as a child, and most children, I mean, because you don't understand much, so you just are so happy in your little world with your little things and activities, with your board games and your make believe life. And then when you kind of grow up and the world hits you, then it's like you're just suddenly breaking out of a shell, especially more so in my case because I'm an only child and raised pampered a lot. I raised by my grandparents in a very protected environment. So for me, it was also like a bigger kind of a shocker than people who've been raised with siblings or in joint families or have got more exposure. So yeah, I think I just really miss the simplicity of like finding joy in the smallest of things, and that's what I miss the most about being a child. Yeah, because some people do not care.
Yeah, I think I definitely agree with Nitya. Yeah, just not. I mean, think the more I become self-aware, the less fun things are. Right? It's just.
I agree with that.
I mean, just look at kids, right? They're just like just bundles of joy. They don't care about anything. Just they aren't lost in thoughts. Just like happy little shits. I hate them because I want to be one again. But yeah, just being that carefree, just child. That's pretty nice.
Hmm.
I can't recall a specific moment either. That's yeah, कुछ ऐसा हुआ नहीं है that I would want to go back to except the whole phase itself.
It's very
See,
easy.
see, I don't want to go back to the kid wala
Yeah,
like
because you were bullied all the time.
shut up. Okay, I don't want to go back in time as such. Like
Okay.
unless I go.
We're touching his soft spots here.
No, I really don't care. Now I can bully, so like it's very easy for me now. I would love to go back. See, the thing is, if I want to go back in time, I would want to go with the knowledge and the power that I have right now. Not power, like knowledge. So with that, I want to go back. So like, so I know like what to do and what not
What
to do.
knowledge?
Like how if somebody like make bullies you or something, like pinpoint to the insecurities and make them feel less than, and yeah, that's what I want to do. So like
Right.
they question their existence and then they question everything. And yeah. So the next question is, would you rather be rich and never find true love, or be poor and find true love? Can I be honest? I would rather be poor. Sorry. So sorry. No. I would rather be.
You're not editing this
Right.
part. You're not editing this. You have to make this.
I'd rather be mad rich and just not find any true love. मेरे को तो friends भी नहीं चाहिए, बाहर में जाए. Who wants peasants anyway? So I
बोल
want
तो
to
दिया
be-
already जो बोलना था, जो निकलना था वो
हाँ,
निकल गया.
वही answer change.
I would rather be poor and find true love.
मैंने
बोल
मेरी
दिया
kind
altogether.
मैं जिस पे गलती से poor पे मैं
That
अटक
is
गया.
my answer. I am the hopeless romantic. What happened to you? I thought you wanted your Tesla and you wanted the big life and everything.
He's
Dude,
just
listen,
hopeless.
we know your answer. Like you chose the poor life, and that's why you're going to Bangalore and just choosing this, medieval methods to, make your body fit or something like that. Do
Yeah,
that.
yeah, medieval.
What's that thing? Yoga. Yeah. So what's your answer, Simar?
Poor, yeah, depends na, like how poor are you talking about? Like I can't arrange food wala kind of poor या फिर because no man, I
बस्ती
don't
में.
want that.
तो क्या
Right,
तुम
like
क्या
using
सड़क
Uplay for fuel and all that. I don't want that. I want a normal LPG connection.
So imagine, Simar, that it's you, your wife, your in-laws, and your parents all in one room.
नहीं, that's
I
like
don't think
at least a
that.
concrete room
That's
or
quite specific. That's too specific. In-laws, सब कुछ इकट्ठे. Nita, what's happening?
want-
और सब क्यों
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? क्या
और
प्लान
सब साथ
कहाँ
में
जाने
क्यों
का है?
रहेंगे?
हाँ, कहाँ जाने का प्लान है?
I'm just giving a hypothetical situation over here.
चल अंकल आंटी तो ठीक है. नहीं अंकल आंटी को भी
हाँ.
ले अपने साथ. मेरी कहते थे
in-laws से तो ठीक था, right?
तुम भी
I'm
आ जाओ,
saying-
ये भी
I'm
आ
saying
जाओ.
if it is those conditions of poverty, you can't love the person
Is it- एक second.
if there's no leg space.
Let me count the pillows in the back. 6 pillows. Oh my god. What's the situation, dude? Is it why you're going to Bangalore? What's happening?
Okay, so let me like this
Let
question
let me
reminds
help
of
you. Let me help you. Let us help you. क्या हुआ? बाबू क्या हुआ?
I am Babu. Yeah, that is why I'm doing this course so that I can practice mindfulness.
I thought it
because
was to earn
every-
money so you can move out.
because every sinner has a future and every saint has a past. So I was just saying that this question makes me think of another question which is also very commonly asked on Instagram, and I see it everywhere, that would you have experienced love and lost it, or would you have never experienced love at all? Like, do you want the experience knowing that it's going to go, or do you not ever want to experience the feeling of being in love?
See, everything
If
will
I have
inevitably
no,
go
what about the
though.
money? Like you have the money later. Like what happens about what happens to
She
the
wasn't
money?
even talking
Who's
about money. She was
Exactly. Who's talking about money? Look at you.
this guy.
So petty.
in his
So
own world.
petty. If I have money, then like if the person just just leaves me
हाँ
like
फिर
whatever.
इंसान की क्या जरूरत है?
No, then I
Yeah,
can go to
like who
therapy.
needs
Like
people when
then I can go to therapy. Like go for retail therapy. Vacation therapy and all that stuff.
वो
But if
सब
I'm like
ऑप्शन नहीं है, वो
फिर
सब
हटना
नहीं
यहाँ से,
है.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए, फिर वो अपने पास रखना ही चाहिए.
हाँ, so you are definitely anti love and anti everything that
ये किससे कहा?
is good.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं
दिख
है.
रहा है.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like these specific questions, like I would rather be, yeah. Simar, what's your take?
I mean, कौन सा question?
Both.
Spin off
Wow.
या फिर original?
दोनों.
My
See,
question,
original
like,
में original में तो I just want to know how poor, because that's like a pretty important part to me.
चल मैं एक
And-
बेस लाइन स्टार्ट कर दूँ. जैसे अभी हम करंट स्टेट है ना हमारी सबकी, वो पुअर है.
It's not poor, man. It's fine.
हाँ
I'd
मैं
be
वैसे
okay
कह
with
रहा हूँ.
that then.
नहीं मैं तो इतने
Yeah,
नीचे
then-
मैं तो डेस्टिट्यूट ही बना सकता है ना.
This
इस
is-
चीज़ के लिए. कितना
It's
सड़क
pretty-
किस सड़क के साइड में चल रहा है, वो बंदी भीख मांग रही, तू भी भीख मांग रहा है. मैं ऐसे नहीं बना रहा तेरे को मैं. Just come down to.
ठीक है.
so considerate.
And quite honestly, I do not consider this which is like I'm not like like I'm not
Roughly और चम्मच के साथ बोल.
I'm not saying कि we are not privileged वगैरह, but this is not my aspirations.
No, I think compared to like we are that 1%, I think. So I
तू
think-
होगी like talk about yourself. मैं 1% नहीं हूँ. I'm
Sabi
1%.
and
you
would
have
like
a
if you
roof
look
on
at the
top of your
stats.
head. You have you get 3 meals in a day. Your needs are taken care of. You
अरे
have
pop filter
water,
है
you
इसके
have
पास.
electricity.
पता है
Mic
Pop
है.
filter, I know exactly.
पता है 1%
Wireless
कौन होता है?
headphones.
1% is जो अंटिला में रहते हैं, Kardashians.
That's
like,
0.001%, you idiot.
That's
अच्छा.
0.00.
That's not the 1%.
अच्छा
1% of the world.
okay okay
We are the 1%.
fine. That's what I aspire to be. Though that hidden
0.00, yeah. That's,
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Hey, so I
poop.
mean, if
Yeah,
us,
continue.
I mean, if we're going to be the way we are, therefore it's pretty obvious.
नहीं
Yeah, I mean,
नहीं
this
चाहिए.
is. ठीक है, I mean, I don't know what I'll do with more money except buy some stuff and then what. Like obviously, like more money won't
हाय
hurt,
हाय
but
ये
कुछ
नहीं मेरा
ला-
नेक्स्ट
I-
को होस्ट. इसको हटा यहाँ से.
ठीक है, now
Shame
I
on
think
you,
I'm-
Manas.
Shame on me for being ambitious. Sorry, I just want more money so I can help more people like you. Yeah,
क्या
continue.
basement में lock करके
नहीं, to have a proper
हाँ.
studio,
studio, oh my god.
and you can call it
Oh,
basement.
so you'll have a proper studio and you're going to just keep me there like, some sort of a victim.
No, I'll keep you like 1% with roof on top and 3 meals a day. a day. Sorry, when is season 3 happening and we are coming back? It depends. As soon as I find a new good co-host like that would be really great. So if you guys are like really interested in this, just comment down below. Just yeah, let's connect.
An internship, की unpaid internship की link होगी नीचे.
Yeah.
So just please apply.
Yeah, that won't be me. That would
6 months की duration,
yeah. So
unpaid.
so if you guys are interested, let me know, and we will see you in the next episode.
If you guys are interested for unpaid humiliation, please,
I mean, that might be
Decent.
someone's kink, so just
yeah, might be someone's,
might
like
find a
someone
perfect
who's-
match. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So
So guys, stay tuned for the next episode, which is going to be the last episode of this season, and we really look forward to doing season 3 very soon. And till then, we need your comments, we need your questions, we need your thoughts about how we can make season 3 exciting and come back with a twist. So yeah, till then, and we'll see you next time. Bye तो बोल दो, क्या हो रहा है ये?
वो loading लिखा रहा था ना उसके ऊपर.
and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys. मतलब कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा किसी को. I'm like speaking you like